Okay, so we're back in motor cars because there's something special inside. We'll have to go figure out what it is in a second. I'm sure you already know from the thumbnail, but go ahead and head inside and show you all the surprise. So Mike just pulled up in his new Performante Spider in blue Cephas. Check how much forged carbon is on the inside. There's a lot on the Performantes. So now there's two Performante Spiders right here. Got the white one as well as the blue one. And a reliable carrier just showed up, so I'm wondering if anything good is on there, but we'll have to wait and find out. Got the SV with no SV logo on it coming by. Well, the reliable trailer is empty, so oh well. So the SV is going to go on the reliable carrier, that's why there's nothing on it, but this one's going to head up on there. This one used to be wrapped in a dark gray camo. It was Pablo's on Instagram. I'm sure you all might recognize the car, but it's going to go on the reliable carrier and I guess off to the new home.
This lens doesn't fit on my body.
There's a puppy in this reliable truck. Oh my god, that is so cute. He's looking at the Performante Spider. Oh, there it goes. Maybe we'll see this car later, as we want. Don't know. We have the McLaren SENNA. Oh no. Lift is up. You can't park it with a lift up. Oh no. So here it is, the amethyst black. It's a deep purple. Got exhaust right there. There's a lot of carbon on this car, and it's a lot bigger than I thought in person. It's a big car. And of course you have the glass pan right here. Glass window right by your feet. Something we gotta get used to, but this car is big. I was not expecting it to be this big. You see it says SENNA right there. And all the carbon on it. It says SENNA again on the inside right here. For the focus. Oh, we've got a glare. There you go, you can see it right there. And then you got the 720 style headlights right here. And then the carbon on the hood as well. I'm just amazed. This car's great, but it's so much bigger in person than you would think it would be. So much bigger. And then the man who owns that SENNA also owned this Carbon series, as well as this P1 here. Yeah, he's using the dealership as his garage. Because why not? If you own all these cars. The Carbon series Spider LT. I can't believe they parked it with a lift up though. Oh, it's upsetting. I wish the lift was down. I guess I'll have to fix that in Photoshop. This is chassis number 5.
It's the same as 720.
that was exciting and unexpected. Here you go, you got the Senna startup. The 5th Senna right there. This is the startup for you. So look here, it's got the scoop on the inside, like the P1 to cool off. To get the cooling. I'll show you on the P1 real quick. It's got the same kind of scoop on the inside. The Senna makes the McLaren P1 just look like a normal car. I mean, it just doesn't look as crazy as the Senna. Senna's just a lot bigger too. I just wasn't expecting it like this, but I like it. Definitely looks better in person. It's got that roof scoop too. There we go. But yeah, that's the Senna. Let's go look outside, see what they have outside. Of course, we have the new Aston Martin. I saw this outside the other day. That hella pearlescent paint. It's crazy. We got the 720s out here. Got one right here. It's polarized. Here we go. Another one in yellow, which is nice as well. And the Performante Spider. So we got another 720 out here in amethyst black, which is the same color as the Senna inside. So you can kind of see what this color is going to look like out here in the sunlight. It's pretty purple. So the same color as the Senna. Oh no. No, stop. Stop, don't do that. We got the LTs out here as well. Love this color right here. This green. It's awesome. Got one that's 570 GT that's on down there. And the factory matte black Huracan. It's a new Huracan Spider. I don't know how I feel about this. The black with the green calipers and the silver accent on the wheels. It's got green stitching on the inside. That's a interesting spec. Let's polarize that. Maybe, maybe not. No? Alright. I think that'll conclude it for the vlog for today. We got to see the Senna and got to hear it start up, which was quite a treat. So I guess we'll hop back in the Dart and we'll head home.